everyone, welcome to Admission Updates. In this video, we will see the cutoff CAT previous year's cutoff of different IIMs. So let us start the video. Before proceeding towards the CAT IIM's previous year's cutoff, let us have an understanding of marks and the percentile. So in 2020, here is the chart of the different years marks obtained and percentile against the marks. So in 2020, a candidate who have scored 99.9 percentile, the marks obtained by him or her was 131. Then in 2019, it was 196. In 2018, 99.9 percentile candidate have scored 192 marks. Then in 2017, the marks against 99.9 percentile was 208. And then in 2016, the marks obtained by candidate against 99.9 percentile was 191. Then if we will talk about 99.5 percentile, the marks obtained by candidate against 99.5 percentile in 2020 was 115. In 2019 it was 170. In 2018 it was 170. In 2017 it was 183, and then in 2016 it was 168. Now if we see at 99 percentile, the marks against 99 percentile in 2020 was 102. Then in 2019 the marks against 99 percentile was 157. In 2018 the marks against 99 percentile was 155. In 2017 it was 173, and then 2016 it was 153. So here we can see there is a huge difference between the marks of 2020 and 2019 against the same percentile. See, in 99.9 percentile there was a difference of around 70 to 80 marks between the both years marks for the same percentile, and in 2020 and in 2020 and in 2019 marks there was a difference of there is a difference of around 60 to 65 marks. Similarly, if we look at the marks against 95 percentile for the different years, for in 2020 the marks was 77. In 2019 it was 120. In 2018 it was 125. In 2017 it was 139, and in 2016 it was 123. In if we look at the 90 percentile, the marks obtained against 90 percentile in 2020 was 63. In 2019 it was 90. In 2018 it was 110. In 2017 it was 121, and in 2016 it was 108. So again, for the other percentiles like 95 percentile, 90 percentile, there is difference between the marks of 2020 and 2019. For in 2020 the marks have been reduced by huge margin compared to the marks of the other years. You can see here, if we take 99.9 percentile, the marks against the 99.9 percentile for the remaining years like for 2019, 2018, 2017, 2016, it was around 200. But for in 2020 the marks for 99.9 percentile was 131, that is below 150. And same has happened for the other percentile also. If we look at the 85 percentile, the marks against 85 percentile in 2020 was 55. In 2019 it was 87. In 2018 it was 90. Then in 2017 it was 183. Then in 2016 it was 93. So I hope you guys have got an idea of the marks and the percentile. So let us move on to the IIM cutoff. See here, the cutoff marks of 2020 and 2019 have been shown. The blue color depicts the CAT cutoff marks of 2020, and then the orange color depicts the CAT cutoff of 2019. First, in the first one is IIM Ahmedabad. IIM Ahmedabad For IIM Ahmedabad, the cutoff marks in the year 2020 was 99 percentile, and in 2019 the cutoff marks for IIM Ahmedabad was 81.53. And if you look at the IIM Bangalore cutoff, in 2020 the cutoff was 99 percentile, and in 2019 it was 90 percentile. Now if we see at IIM Calcutta's cutoff, the cutoff in 2020 was 99 percentile, and in 2019 the cutoff was 95 percentile. Similarly for IIM Lucknow, the cutoff was 97 in 2020, and the cutoff was 90 in 2019. For IIM Indore, the cutoff was 97 percentile in 2020, and in 2019 the cutoff was 90 percentile. Now if we'll take Kozhikode, for Kozhikode the cutoff in 2019 was 95.5 percentile, and in 2020 the cutoff was 97 percentile. For IIM Amritsar, the cutoff was 95 percentile, and in 2020 and in 2019 the cutoff was 90 percentile. For IIM Nagpur, the cutoff in 2020 was 95 percentile, and the cutoff in 2019 was 90 percentile. Now for IIM Sambalpur, the cutoff was 95 percentile in 2020, and the cutoff was 90 percentile in 2019. IIM Trichy, cutoff for IIM Trichy was 94 percentile in 2020, and it was 96 percentile in 2019. So the here is dip in 2020. The cutoff was reduced by 2 percentile for IIM Trichy in 2020 compared to 2019. And then moving on to next, the IIM Raipur. IIM Raipur, the cutoff was 94 percentile in 2020, and in 2019 the cutoff was 90 percentile. For IIM Ranchi, the cutoff was 94 percentile in 2020, and it was 90 percentile in 2019. IIM Kasipur, the cutoff was 94 percentile in 2020, and then it was 90 percentile in 2019. IIM Vizag, the cutoff of IIM Vizag in 2020 was 92 percentile, and in 2019 the cutoff was 90 percentile. IIM Udaipur, the cutoff was 92 percentile in 2020, and in 2019 the cutoff was 90 percentile. Similarly, in for IIM Bodh Gaya, 92 percentile was the cutoff in 2020, and 90 percentile was the cutoff in 2019. Now IIM Shillong, the cutoff was same for 2019 and 2020, that is 90 percentile. And for IIM Sirmaur, the cutoff was again same for both the years, that is 95 percentile. And last IIM Rohtak, the cutoff was 95 percentile in 2020, and it was 90 percentile in the year 2019. So this was the cutoff of different IIMs for the year 2019 and 2020. I hope the video was useful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe the channel for more updates.